Before getting started, gather supplies to measure and document your wall size. First, start by measuring all walls in the area you are planning to wallpaper. When measuring, take the full dimensions of the wall and ignore any obstacles such as doors, windows, or baseboards. These pieces are trimmed out during install and will ensure for a seamless look. Determine your height by measuring the highest point of your wall. Round up to the nearest 2-foot increment if in between measurements. This will be the height you will enter for your order. For example, if your wall is 7.5 foot tall, you will select the 8-foot option. To determine how many panels are needed for your project, you will need to find the width of the walls you want to cover in inches. Once you have this number, you will divide it by 19 as each panel is 19 inches wide. Round up to the nearest whole number and that will be the quantity of panels you need. For example, if your wall is 124 inches wide, you will need 7 panels. You will always need to add 2 inches extra to your wall width to ensure full coverage. Again, a reminder the excess will be cut off during installation. Finally, before choosing the materials for your order, check your wall texture to see what wallpaper is best suited for your install. Thank you for choosing Wall Blush. Enjoy your wallpaper!